So there's a few questions there around when should I start using an accountant. Now, obviously, I'm a big fan of people getting the right advice, but some of this stuff can, of course, be done yourself. And MyGov is making it so much easier. Finding accountants willing to do personal tax returns these days is becoming harder and harder. So you might need to look at some of the specialists. There are a whole bunch of online providers now. And of course, there's H&R Block. So they're all, generally reasonably qualified to do standard tax returns. If you've got overseas assets, you've got a family trust, you've got a self-managed super fund, you operate a business, you're a sole trader, they're the times when good quality advice will pay off as a risk mitigation exercise, if nothing else. Certainly still the majority of Australians use a tax agent to do their tax return. And it is a self-assessment system, so the tax office will generally accept your return, and then they go and dig deep into a handful. They have a series of benchmarks where they go, if you earn $100,000 and you're a office worker, they have a benchmark for how big your deductions will be. And those that fall outside those bounds will often get some scrutiny. That scrutiny starts often with a please explain letter, and they send out hundreds of thousands of those. And often they pick on a specific area. So if you've held Bitcoin in the last year, you can expect a letter. If you've got a rental property, you can probably expect a letter. And usually that's are you sure you know what you're doing?